Once you've logged in, you'll see the Keystone Dashboard. The dashboard consists of customizable tiles that allow you to add charts and pull up reports you've set as favorites. The Needs Attention, Approval History, and Add New Form tiles allow you to interact with and monitor key docs and key recs transmittal forms. Please contact your client manager to learn more about key docs and key recs. To add a chart to your dashboard, click on the Add Chart button, then select the type of chart you'd like to see. Some charts offer filtering capabilities. For example, the Expenditures by Major Category chart may require you to make some filter selections. To do so, simply click on the gear icon to select your chart criteria. Filtering options include date range, funding source, site, project type, and project. In this example, we will create a chart for the Monroe Middle School Modernization Project. You can even switch between pie and bar chart formats by clicking the chart format icon. You can add as many chart tiles to your dashboard as you'd like. Let's add a second Expenditures by Major Category chart for flooring projects. Let's add a fourth chart that will break down program revenue from all funding sources. Chart tiles can be rearranged by simply dragging the tile and moving it to where you'd like. The next time you log into Keystone, your charts will be generated with updated figures.